Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-pack of refrigerator organizers. These are a really neat idea. It's got a lot of functions to it, and it's adjustable. So when you get it, you actually just easily install the wheels right on the side, and then you put on the little handle right up here, and you are ready to go. So I'm gonna bring you in here close so we can take a look at these. So here it is up close. It is just a nice clear plastic. It does have a little texture on the bottom just to help with the slipping. And then your wheels will move all the way around. You just simply put that over it, and then you put this little plug right in here, and that will allow the wheel then to move all the way around. We do the same thing on the other side. And they do give you an extra wheel, which is really nice. So if you lost one or one broke or whatever, you do have that extra wheel. And then this piece just goes right on this side of the handle over here. And then it just creates a nice handle for the entire organizer. So this is a 15 by around 9 inches and about 2 inches deep. So now we got that handle on, let's get this thing to use. It does come with 3 adjustable dividers that it has little divots right on the side here that you can just easily put your dividers in wherever you want to have them, and they just slide right in. So it just sticks right in there, and now you can separate out foods or sodas or whatever you're wanting to use this for. So now I've just put different foods in here so I can easily separate it out, and it just helps organize the refrigerator. And with these nice wheels, you can just use it in the refrigerator, grab it out, and wheel it around real easy. It just moves and glides very nicely. So then you can just add a lot of organization into your life with your refrigerator, or you can just use it with a bunch of different cans. It does hold a ton of weight, so that is a very nice feature to it as well. So this is a nice little way to keep your refrigerator organized and keep everything in place and be able to get to it easily whenever you need it.